wheels. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. X on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The yellow bus drives past the 3D park. Ruby waves from the window. Scene 4 and 5. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Rebel doors swing open for Benny and then snap shut neatly. Scene 6 and 7. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Rain falls, wipers move left to right as Leo points and giggles. Scene 8 and 9. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. Orange lights flash, Benny blinks his eyes to match the rhythm. Scene 10, 11, the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Mr. Dan presses the horn while Leo helps him honk. Scene 12 and 13, the people on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. Act-shaped smoke puffs out as Benny makes fun driving motions. Scene with the unfit feet up and down, the people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. The bus goes over a hill, everyone bounces and Ruby's pigtails fly up. Scene 16 and 17, the babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. Middle rubs his eyes and makes a wad face because he dropped his beer. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. Mom gives Leo a hug and puts a finger to her lips. Scene 20 and 20 and Daddy. The daddies on the bus go I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Head dad pulls Ruby and Benny into a warm hug and smiles. Scene 22 and 23, the bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Ruby pulls the yellow cord, Mr. Dan nods and slows the bus. Scene 24 and 25, the leaders on the bus go up and down, down, down. Windows slide down, Benny and Leo feel the sunset breeze. 26, 27, 28, going home. The driver on the bus says welcome home, welcome home. Family steps off, they wave goodbye as the bus drives into the sunset. And again 20 alley. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wait, shot of the neighborhood. Leo gives a final
Help! Help! There's a fire in the barn!
was trying to take all the bananas from the market.
Oh, you naughty monkey!
Jeep! Chip!